Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best drone camera is probably one of the most exciting and versatile pieces of technology available today, offering a unique perspective for photography, videography, and even recreational flying. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to capture breathtaking aerial shots for your next film project or a hobbyist eager to explore the world from a new vantage point, the advancements in drone technology have made these flying machines more accessible and capable than ever before. With features ranging from high-resolution cameras and advanced stabilization to intelligent flight modes and extended battery life, choosing the right drone can significantly elevate your creative potential and overall flying experience, making it a worthwhile investment for anyone passionate about capturing stunning visuals. Number 5. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone. Introducing a mini drone designed for effortless fun. It's perfect for beginners, offering features like auto-hovering and exciting 3D flips. Just toss it to launch and enjoy the thrill. This drone offers multiple speed modes, catering to pilots of all skill levels. Whether you're just starting or looking for more challenge, you can enjoy a customized flying experience. Plus, multiple drones can fly together without interference. Keep the fun going with 3 included batteries, providing up to 21 minutes of flight time. It even alerts you when the battery is low, so you can land safely and avoid any unexpected issues. Your safety is our priority. This micro drone features propeller guards to protect little hands and an emergency stop function for immediate, safe landings. It's built to ensure worry-free operation. Its incredibly mini and portable size makes it easy to take anywhere. Bring it to parties, on hikes, or long journeys for instant entertainment. It's the perfect gift for any occasion. To ensure a smooth experience when flying multiple drones together, remember to power on and pair each drone with its remote individually. This prevents any signal interference. What we like. This drone is incredibly easy to get airborne with a simple toss and features auto-hovering for stable flight. If you are looking for a drone that is simple to operate and provides extended flight time right out of the box, this is a fantastic choice for beginners and kids. What people say. The drone has survived hundreds of crashes into walls and the floor, yet this little guy still takes off and keeps making my kids happy. It hovers on its own and has a slow mode. It is remarkably robust for a little toy. We have had a ton of crashes and it is totally fine, hasn't missed a beat. It comes with 3 batteries and some spares, so plenty of flying time. I generally get enough play time out of 1 battery. Number 4. Holy Stone HS190 Foldable Mini Drone. This mini drone is designed for easy control, making it perfect for kids. With a simple one-click takeoff and landing, plus exciting 3D flips, it adds an extra layer of fun to every flight. Enjoy a stable flight with its altitude hold feature, allowing it to hover at a fixed height. The headless mode ensures directions are always relative to the pilot, providing a carefree experience for beginners. It comes with 3 adjustable speed modes, from low to high. This allows kids of different skill levels to enjoy a customized flying experience. Safety is paramount with its propeller guards protecting children from spinning blades. An emergency stop function ensures it lands immediately, reducing the risk of damage or injury. This drone is incredibly compact, foldable, and fits easily into your pocket or bag. It's the perfect companion for parties, school, or any adventure, indoors or out. Looking for a cool Christmas toy gift for boys and girls? This mini drone offers hours of entertainment and is ideal for beginners of all ages. What we like. This drone boasts a convenient foldable design that fits easily into your pocket or bag, along with a one-key return function for added safety. If you need a drone that is highly portable and easy to bring along for spontaneous adventures, this is the perfect companion. What people say. The drone has a high-definition camera that captures stunning aerial footage. Its intelligent flight modes, like Follow Me and Orbit, make capturing cinematic shots effortless. The battery life is impressive, offering up to 30 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Number 3. Holy Stone HS190 Foldable Mini Drone. This mini drone is designed for effortless fun, featuring one-click takeoff and landing. Its exciting 3D flips add an extra layer of thrill to every flight. Enjoy a stable and carefree flight thanks to altitude hold and headless mode. It hovers steadily and always flies in the direction you intend, perfect for beginners. With 3 speed modes, from low to high, it adapts to your skill level. This allows for a customized flying experience whether you're just starting or ready for more. Safety is paramount with propeller guards protecting little hands. An emergency stop function ensures it lands immediately, minimizing the risk of damage or injury. Its incredibly small and foldable design means it fits right in your pocket. Take it anywhere for indoor or outdoor fun, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. We stand by our product with a 30-day warranty on the unit and a 90-day warranty on accessories. Your satisfaction and feedback are important to us. What we like. This drone is designed to be incredibly portable and user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners. If you value peace of mind with a product that comes with a satisfaction guarantee and warranty, this drone offers a worry-free flying experience. What people say. It has removable blade guards, charges easily, and stores in its controller when not in use. Comes with an extra set of blades, screwdriver, blade removal tool. A stable flyer, easy to learn how to fly. Having it fold nicely in the controller is a bonus, protecting it from accidental breaking from stepping on when left on the bedroom floor. The controls are tight and responsive and this thing can go. The speed is incredible. Running into walls didn't crash it, it actually corrected itself a few times. It's small, very responsive, and very easy to use. We love how the drone fits right in the controller, it keeps it safe. Number 2. Holy Stone HS-175D GPS Drone. Capture your adventures in incredible detail with its sharp 4K camera. The wide-angle lens ensures you get more of the scene in every shot, perfect for trips and everyday filming. Easily frame your perfect shot with the 90 degrees adjustable camera angle. Get the view you want, whether it's a sweeping landscape or a dynamic follow shot, without moving the drone. Experience a stable and smooth live video feed with 5 GHz FPV transmission. This makes framing your shots easier and flying more confident, even when you're on the move. Fly with peace of mind thanks to GPS-assisted flight. It automatically returns home if the signal is lost, it goes out of range, or the battery is low, preventing you from losing it. Enjoy extended flight sessions with up to 46 minutes of total flight time thanks to the included 2 batteries. Explore and capture more without frequent stops to recharge. Learning to fly is simple with intuitive controls. Features like altitude hold, headless mode, and one-key takeoff landing make it easy for beginners to get airborne and capture stable footage. Its foldable design and carrying case make it perfect for travel. Explore fun smart flight modes like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight for more engaging aerial experiences. What we like. Equipped with a 4K camera and GPS auto-return, this drone ensures you capture stunning footage while providing peace of mind during flights. If you are looking for a drone that offers professional quality aerial photography and reliable safety features for outdoor adventures, this is an excellent option. What people say. After reading reviews of a number of under $200 drones, we chose the HS-175D, and are very satisfied with our decision. Amazon delivered in less than a day, and the drone was flying, well controlled by a novice operator, within an hour. After a bit of practice, the drone took high-definition photos of the roof in question, and the photos were of exceptional quality and fully met our needs. The drone does exactly what the manufacturer says it does, nothing more, and nothing less. It is very easy to learn to fly it. One important learning: if you think you are losing control, let go of the control sticks. The drone will simply stop moving and hover where it is, while the operator regains his composure. This is actually the first drone I ever bought, and I thought a lot about which one to get started. After reading a lot of reviews and descriptions, I decided to get this HS-175D drone, and I am really amazed. The ease of flying, the picture quality and the stability of the drone are really impressive. Number 1. Holy Stone HS-175G GPS Drone. Introducing an enhanced drone designed for adults. It features a 4K EIS camera for exceptional image quality and smoother video stabilization. This drone is equipped with a 4K EIS camera featuring a Sony CMOS sensor. Its 120 degrees wide-angle lens and 90 degrees adjustable tilt ensure high-resolution images, while 5 GHz FPV transmission provides smooth video. With GPS-assisted flight, it can automatically return home if the signal is lost, it goes out of range, or the battery is low. You'll never have to worry about losing it. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of flight time with 2 included batteries. Single battery fast charging means less waiting and more flying. It includes easy-to-use features like altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, and speed adjustment, making it perfect for beginners. This drone comes with a carrying case and a foldable design for easy storage and portability. Weighing under 250 g, it also saves you from FAA registration. Explore advanced intelligent functions like auto-follow, path planning, and point-of-interest circling. An emergency stop feature ensures your flight is both enjoyable and safe. What we like. This drone features an upgraded 4K EIS camera for incredibly smooth video and an impressive 60 minutes of flight time with fast charging. If you are an adult looking for a drone that combines high-quality aerial videography with extended flight capabilities and quick turnarounds, this model is ideal. What people say. After reading reviews of a number of under $200 drones, we chose the HS-175D, and are very satisfied with our decision. Amazon delivered in less than a day, and the drone was flying, well controlled by a novice operator, within an hour. After a bit of practice, the drone took high-definition photos of the roof in question, and the photos were of exceptional quality and fully met our needs. This is actually the first drone I ever bought, and I thought a lot about which one to get started. After reading a lot of reviews and descriptions, I decided to get this HS-175D drone, and I am really amazed. The ease of flying, the picture quality and the stability of the drone are really impressive. This is a great starter drone. It is easy to fly and the return to home feature works every time. Max height is 100 meters, 300 feet, and max distance is 500 meters, 1,500 feet, which was plenty for my enjoyment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.